फ्रेंड, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल टू एवरीवन। आ गया हूँ मैं एक और रेसिपी लेके आपके पास जो है चॉकलेट ब्राउनी। जैसे कि आप सब देख रहे हैं कि लॉकडाउन में घर बैठ के सब लोग बोर हो रहे हैं, तो इस टाइम पे कुकिंग सेशन को और अच्छा से एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए आप इन रेसिपीज़ को ट्राई करिए और अपने परिवार में फ्रेंड्स को, रिलेटिव्स को, बच्चों को, किसी को भी खिलाइए, वो आपको बहुत ही अप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा। तो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस के माध्यम से अच्छा नॉलेज मिलती है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक करिए और शेयर करिए।
So for making a chocolate brownie, first we need 250 grams of unsalted butter, and then we need 250 grams of dark chocolate, followed with we need a 4 number of large eggs, and then we need 300 grams of sugar, which we will grind it later on to make it in a powder consistency. Then we need 125 grams of flour, which is a refined flour, and we'll add 3 grams of salt in it. And for making the brownie, we will also be needing a little bit of dark components of choco chips. So I buy this Morde choco chips, which is very rich in taste. So let's start it. So for making a brownie, we have already heated up our pan, which is quarter to half filled with water, and we will put a one empty bowl over it where we have to melt our chocolate and butter. So this is the procedure what we called a double boiler. We do not want that our chocolate will get burned, so we will add butter and the chocolate into it so that it will get melt and give it a smooth texture. So we will keep it in this condition in a medium range so that the butter and chocolate get melted easily and they will mix together and come out with a shiny glaze. Friends, as I have told you that our sugar is in a granular form, we need to just mix it well so that it will grind properly and comes in a powder consistency so that it will get maximum emulsify with egg. And then we will just grind it nicely so that it will come in the category of a little bit powdered sugar. As you seen that we have already chunked with our sugar in a mixer grinder, so now you can see that it already come in a powder condition. Okay, so it will help us our eggs to get it combined nicely with sugar, and it will emulsify also very quickly. So now we will start with the procedure to emulsify our egg yolks and sugar. So for that we will be needing 4 numbers of large eggs. So we will just combine 4 of the eggs with sugar and we will whisk it nicely till it get a smooth texture. You can see here we have already just put our butter and chocolate in the bowl so that it will get mixed nicely. So as you can see, the butter has already started melting and our chocolate is also getting mixed together with our butter. So we do not need our chocolate to get burned. So we will keep it in the medium flame until it will all combine and give it a shiny texture. So we will just continuously add on our ladle in between so that we have to confirm that it will not get stick to the bottom. Now we will just add our 4 number of eggs into a bowl, and before that we have to make sure that there will be no single drop of water in the bowl, because once we will add the eggs and sugar in that, if there will be a water in the bowl, so it will not get emulsify properly and our texture for the brownie will get damaged. So we have to make sure that our bowl will be out of one single drop of water. So as you can see that we have already added 4 eggs in there. Now we will add 300 grams of powdered sugar into it. So this is a stage which is we have to mean as the very hard work, because we have to continue whisk it nicely. If you have a hand blender at your home, so you can do it perfectly with a machine, but most of the houses they don't have such kind of machines in their house, so we will just whisk it nicely. So we will just have to put air in there, eggs. So we will just start with the slowly, and then we will just do it little bit fast. So we have to continue whisk it until it will get volume up and the eggs will get so as you can see that it is started little bit a bubble in the air. So here you can see this little bit bubbles here. So we need to continue whisk it nicely so it will get its volume. So now you can see that the volume of our egg yolk is already been emulsified, and it is now coming to a stage where now we can add our chocolate into it. So we will keep the bowl like that and slowly we'll just put our chocolate and butter texture milk into there.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'll be holding you.
So now as you can see that we have already started mixing our chocolate butter with eggs and sugar. The volume will already emulsified. Now we will just continuously mix it with a soft hand. We do not have to mix it with our hard hand, because if we'll go fast, so all of the volume of eggs will get settled down. So the texture of our brownie will not come good. So now you can see that the texture is already shine. You can see the glaze, it's already been shine. So now we're gonna add the flour into it. So now we will add 3 grams of salt into it. So now we're gonna start our procedure. Again, we have to cut and fold. Cut and fold. We do not have to mix it with a hard hand. Just slightly slowly. Very slowly. So that our volume will remain same and the brownie will get a good fluffy texture. So as you can see, I'm doing it very slowly, nicely. So it will get a creamy and very gooey texture. Mark my words, friends, once you try this recipe at home, you'll surely gonna love it because it's one of the best recipe I have ever tried, and this is a very gooey and very chocolatey recipe of a chocolate brownie. Wherever your friends, your relatives and your kids, everyone will gonna love this recipe. Now we have already placed our aluminum tray where we have to bake our brownie. So we will put this brownie recipe, a brownie clay, into it. So as you can see that we have placed our brownie mixture into it. So you can see that it's already comes in a stable condition for you. So now, as I have told you, we have already placed our brownie mixture into our aluminum tray. So now we're gonna add some molded dark compound chocolate chips into it. So it will also give a real chocolate taste into it. So we'll just sprinkle. So as you can see that we have already preheated our OTG around in 160 degrees, and now we're gonna put our tray into it for baking, and we will bake it around for 16 to 20 minutes. So we will now put our tray into it, and we have to make sure that whenever we use the oven or anything, we have to be very careful because our temperature of our oven is already very preheated. So we do not want any kind of mistakes. So as you can see that we have already put our brownie mixture into the oven. Now we'll set it for around like 15 to 20 minutes till it will get baked. And so now guys, as you can see that I have already put the mixture into the oven, and you can see the volume of our brownie has already raised. So you can see the texture, and I guarantee you it smells so good and it looks already so yummy. So once we'll take it out, and then I will show you all of the texture. So tada, our brownie is prepared now. So we will just take it out. We have to be very careful while taking it out. So now you can see the texture. It's already been baked. We will keep it aside and set it down for cooling.